Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel Cybersecurity Guru. In this video, we will be discussing firewalls and their role in securing a network. Firewalls are a critical component of any organization's security posture, and understanding how they work is essential for keeping your data and systems protected. What is a firewall? A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. It acts as a barrier between a trusted internal network and an untrusted external network, such as the Internet. Types of firewalls. There are several types of firewalls available, including network firewalls, host-based firewalls, and application firewalls. Network firewalls, also known as packet filtering firewalls, inspect incoming and outgoing traffic at the network layer. Host-based firewalls run on individual servers or workstations and protect them from malicious network traffic. Application firewalls, on the other hand, monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic at the application layer. How firewalls work. Firewalls work by examining incoming and outgoing traffic and comparing it to a set of security rules. If the traffic is deemed to be in violation of the rules, it is blocked. Firewalls can also be configured to allow or deny specific types of traffic, such as incoming email or web traffic. Why firewalls are important. Firewalls are critical in protecting against cyber attacks, such as malware, hacking, and phishing attempts. By controlling access to a network and blocking unauthorized traffic, firewalls help to reduce the risk of data breaches and protect against cyber threats. In conclusion, firewalls play a crucial role in securing a network and protecting against cyber threats. It is important to understand the different types of firewalls and how they work to ensure that your network is properly protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more information security content.